Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add Klarna price calculation to Shopify. First thing I want you to do is actually log into Shopify, choose your store, and then just come here at the bottom left, click on settings, come here, click on payments. Make sure you complete your account setup. Okay, scroll down, add your banking information. Once you complete it, scroll down here under additional payment methods, click on add payment methods, search up Klarna. Okay, right here, click on it, and then make sure you activate it. Okay, and then you can connect it, basically install it, and it will install the app. It will set up your account, and what will happen? Okay, if you want more control, you can do a manual placement. So connect this, and then basically you add this snippet below the product price. Okay, this one exactly as it is, you add it, and that would basically add the Klarna price calculation to Shopify. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.